Which word is most different in meaning than the other words? A. Flammable, B. Insidious, C. Combustible, D. Ignitable, or E. Inflammable. Taking a look at our choices, we can see that a common thread between these is ability to light on fire. Flammable, combustible, ignitable, and inflammable all share this distinction. Regarding inflammable, while it's true that the prefix in usually indicates not, in this case it's an exception to the rule, and strangely enough, inflammable and flammable are in fact synonyms. This being the case, the word that sticks out is insidious. Although it may sound like incendiary, meaning flammable, careful reading shows that it is not, and it is simply insidious. Therefore, B, insidious, can be marked as our final answer, as it's most different in meaning than the other words.